Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to add someone as a trusted connection in Roblox. So let's get started. Now first, you must have an age-verified Roblox account. To check this, you want to go to your account settings and go ahead and confirm your age. This one. Now, if you haven't done this, trusted connections won't work. Roblox requires this to make sure you're chatting safely with the right people. Now, once your age is verified, you want to head to the connection section in Roblox. Here, you'll see options to either scan your friend's QR code or share your own QR code with them, just like so. If you scan their code or they scan yours, you'll instantly become trusted connections. And this works on both mobile and desktop. And once connected, Roblox relaxes chat restrictions between you and that person, letting you talk more normally instead of dealing with heavy filters. You can still remove them anytime if you change your mind. So, quick recap: first, verify your age, open connections, scan or share QR code, and you're all good. That's it. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.